He also awarded for its excellence performance and contribution towards driving service excellence for beauty application service delivery in 2010 by Kevin Washington, Director and Application Service Delivery GTI. She acted as a session co-chaired a session at the International Conference on Mathematical Science and Engineering Applications ICMSCA 2017 held at Baba Institute of Technical Sciences, Visakhapatnam, India during 22 to 24 to December 2017. So he secured three certificates from NPTEL, IIT Kharagpur, who has more than 20 years of experience in teaching and research. Also has a good knowledge of database management systems, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, and Internet of Things, along with the academic subjects, etc. So he guided 20 UG and 10 PG academic projects. He has a professional memberships like CSA, IA, SSC membership, UID, like 20195330. So such an eminent resource person in among us, and invite Dr.P.Laxmikanth sir to deliver his session. Or to you, sir, and he will act as a co-host, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Prakash sir. Uh, Sir, it's showing that screen like admit all. That screen, okay.
So you will act as a co-host, sir. We'll
Okay.
take care about, right? If any technical issues, you can just continue. That's the reason you gave us a co-host, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So are you able to see my screen, which I
Yes, sir.
shared?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good morning, one and all, of all the research associates, students, and faculty members, and the organizing colleges and universities. It gives an immense pleasure to be a keynote session delivered by me, the power of artificial intelligence tools and its uses. Presently, I'm working in as associate professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vignan Institute of Technology and Science. Uh, why I'm choosing these artificial intelligence tools? See, nowadays, people are fearing of uh, the artificial intelligence tools, and there may be a huge jobless people in the world in upcoming days because of this the technology enhancement in the area of artificial intelligence tools and its uses. At the same time, there is an advertisement like you can earn more than 1 crore per month or 50 lakhs or per month if you be a prompt engineer. See, these two words are contradictory. See, one side people are saying that like you lose the jobs, and another side you have an opportunity to get high paid jobs. See, let me come to this scenario. Like what exactly the tools or how it is will useful to the society. Like, are you aware of all these artificial intelligence tools and its uses? Sir, I'm audible, right? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir, you
Yes,
are
sir.
audible.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. You are right.
okay. See, today the contents which I want to discuss, like chatbots, video tools, design tools, writing tools, marketing tools, and productivity tools. See, now in market, many companies, the software companies, are like the developing software contents. So in AI, there is so many like tools, especially when you talk about the chatbots. So what exactly the chatbot? And I will discuss one by one the video tools, how the video tools will helpful, and the design tools will helpful, writing tools will helpful, marketing tools helpful, and the productivity tools. So if you found this particular I taken this particular picture from there is an 120 mind blowing AI tools, uh, like one blog where that particular person gathered all these tool names and made it one particular picture. If you observe that, there are nearly six tools which going to be change the world in the area of artificial intelligence. These tools are very helpful to in various domains in order to simplify their works. See, for example, if you consider the first one is in a chatbot. So now the buzzword called chat GPT. So what exactly the chatbot? So chatbot is originally from the chatterbot. The chatter is nothing but talking informally about the some matters. And what exactly the bot? The definition of bot is autonomous program in internet or another network that can interact with systems or users. So the recently this particular field has gained a widespread attention due to the popularity of OpenAI. So ChatGPT, which is developed based on the GPT-3 and GPT-4 released in 2023. See, initially these chatbots are free and anyone can utilize, they can work with as a free of cost. But there is a paid version gradually because when the wide popularity on these chatbots, so people are the companies are started making this as a commercial aspect. So how these chatbots for the business purpose or like for example if you observe like IVR systems, the examples are IVR systems. So for example if you are called to any credit card or debit card, sometimes what in the timings odd timings the IVR will answer, please input whatever the as in a voice of the customer what was requirement. So based on his voice, it will take as an input and answer the content to that particular and helpful to the that particular customer. So nowadays in the various areas, these chatbots are familiar in the area of medical. See, for example, the chatbots is very helpful when we code COVID effects. Uh, Sir, I request many people are on their mics. Please switch off the mics, which is disturbing a lot to me. Prakash sir,
I request all the participants, please mute your mics.
so still there is a
I request all
disturbance,
the
sir.
participants.
So just I want to play one video so that everyone should be mic should be in off mode. So
Sure, sir.
see, if you observe here, now I'm talking about the chatbots. Okay, Poi by Quora, C.AI, UChat, Hugging Chart, Bing AI, ChartSpot, Cloud, and K Communicate. So here, just I want to show you like a small chatbot. See, so you want to see my screen? Open AI.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, if I want to log in over here, just in the screen, this is in a uh, Chat GPT. It is loading. Here, Open AI. Okay, Chat GPT. Here already I logged in here. Okay, so here if I write something, if I write something over here in this chart, okay, so like what is to move? So, are you able to observe the blue moon is in a term used to describe the relative rare occurrence in which there are two full moons within a single calendar month. A typical month has been only one full moon, which occur approximately 2.95 days. See, instantaneously by considering my word, what is blue moon, the chart board, sir, Prakash sir, I'm request sir. So many people are still mics are on. It is disturbing me a lot.
I,
So all others, I request you please
please,
switch off your mics.
I request all the participants, please mute your mics.
See here, this is a small chart GPT an example. Like if you want to know anything, like for example, a small query in your mind, if you type, the considering the text as an input, and it will give the reference content to us, and it deliver reference content to us. So this is chart GPT. So one more, I want to show one more like here, uh, C.AI is another chatbot tool. So for example, I'll type, I want peace of mind. Okay, I'm asking this Lily a peace of mind. I want a peace of mind. Peace of mind is something that takes work and time. Here are some things you can do. Foster the peace of mind. Practice yoga or meditation for 10 minutes per day. Write out your worries and fears in journal and then come up with solutions. Reach out to a mental health professional. Spend time in nature. See, just simply I put in my query in this C.AI chatbot. Okay, so as in a like a word like as in a sentence like I want a peace of mind. So Lily is in a one created chatbot. Okay, C.AI at the one at the rate of 1.2. So here it's given a suggestions to me as in a mimic of human being. So Lily is an artificial chatbot is mimic as in a human intelligence, and with the L of LLM, so with the L of large language model, a type of AI that can mimic the human intelligence, this uses the statistical model analyze the amount of data and learning the patterns and connection between the words and phrases. So here the some of the words and their phrases, okay, based on that it is giving the answer. So this is an as I shown in the graph. So this is another as is shown in the graph. This is another tool where C.AI. So likewise, so many chatbots are there. So where we can get answers. So just I want to show one particular video to you all. So nowadays, how the evolutionary of AI tools is going to change the world. Sir, are you able to hear this particular video as well as along with audio?
So we can able to see the video, but audio is not.
Yes, see, sir, right now?
No, sir. Only video. Only.
No, only video. Okay. So one thing, slideshow from from the current slide. Now, sir.
Now it's okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Sir, now, sir. Sir, now
Yes, sir.
able to hear?
No, sir.
Voice muted.
Voice వినబడుతుందా సార్?
No, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
So now also not audible, sir.
So, okay, leave it, sir.
Not
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, leave it, leave it. Just I want to tell you that like this particular video is in a first AI anchor launched by the Odisha government. So actually, this particular lady, okay, is an anchor, but now she is not giving in any anchor. So the artificial intelligence machine, okay,
The next
is
time.
yeah, presenting uh, this particular reading this news so virtually. So in future, so all that like in absence of human beings, okay. So these artificial machines uh,
Faculty అందరూ
can can read the news, all the and read the news, okay. And there is an like people are feeling bad that like these artificial intelligence will replace the anchors. So if you want, you can change the faces of all the anchors. So like as I said, like Chat GPT, and there is so many like PO by Quora, CO.ai, Google Bird, UChat, Hugging Chat, Jasper Chat, Bing AI, ChatSpot, Chartphonic, Communicate. All these are the different chatbots, okay, developed by the different companies and their software manufacturers, which is used for used for the different purposes in the different domains. And Chat GPT, the history of the Chat GPT is in a chart generative pre-trained transformer. It's mainly depending upon the GPT 3.5 and G.4. So right now it's freely available as in a premium model, but in future it is in a commercial like Chat GPT plus. So he's the person who developed the with the developer of OpenAI, uh, and the website is chat.openai.com. And this is an as I showed like as an introduction to Chat GPT. Okay, this is the interactive panel. Even if you ask, like for example, if you want, you can ask any programming also. So here if you upload, like you just pressed here I pressed greatest of three numbers, okay, it's given a code to me, okay. Or new chart, if I open a new chart, okay, so greatest of two numbers. So simply it's giving an a code to me. Okay. So what exactly the palindrome? And it's also giving the code of that particular palindrome program. Okay. It's given a, it took some time, but it's given in a palindrome program. So likewise, these chatbots will help us to mimic the human intelligence as an artificial intelligence, like it's like a human intelligence. And whatever be the you interact with these chatbots, okay, with this chat GPT 3.5 default chat GPT 3.5, it is you're getting this particular uh, the the content from these chatbots. So likewise, as I mentioned in my this particular graph, okay, so the nearly uh, there are so many, if you observed here, like so many tools under the chartboards. So similarly, the design tools. What exactly the design tools? Using the Google AI, I mean, using these AI design tools can ignite a new way of creating and exploring a new ways to approach your design. Tools provide a fresh ideas and allow designers of all skill level to generate custom color palette, build web pages, enhance photos, and develop creative assets. So, for some of the examples like Design AI, Unity.ai. So, simply if I go to, and if I take Google, okay, if I press here, simply Design AI tools. Simply query. So all these, see, so there is so many dot AI. Okay, if I create here, if I click here, it will navigate to a website, and for example, just and it will show some work with, like, I can create a banners, business cards, and all. See, for example, I want to show one writing tool called Jenny. So just for the writing tool dot AI. Okay, so here Jenny.ai is another writing tool, is an artificial intelligence tool. Okay, here you can write this. It will assist the research papers also. Start writing. It's free. Okay, sign up with Google. See, all these AI tools. What required is your mail ID. So only if you have a mail ID, you can log in all these AI tools free of cost, and you can start working. So here, if you're a student or a content writer or just looking, say for example, I'm a student, okay, and here, uh, just what you want to, you're just in a bachelor degree or an MBA master or PhD and beyond. So for example, here I can write something like how to see. See, publishing research paper is a crucial step in academic process. Okay, as it allows the research to share their findings with the wide scientific community. Okay, and for example, if you want an add in a citations, it will help you to add a citations. Okay, if you want an add in a references to your paper, it will help you to get all the references based on your title. So likewise, it will helpful. This particular Jenny.ai is a writing tool, is very helpful to while you're publishing a paper. So whatever be the based on the word, the keyword which you are typed, it will access as an input, and it will give the particular. Uh, it will assist you to complete your task. So likewise, so many websites are there. Runwaymy.al. So as I like shown, there is in a 120 AI tools are available uh, as in a free of cost. So only thing is that, so simply you have to know how it works. So if you are in a marketing area, you can utilize all these tools like summary as elite AI, robot, quick lines, contact, unspam emails, smarter write, convert it. All these you require only one email. Email is enough. With your email, you can log in and you can start working with all these tools. Like if you're a designer, all the designing, like creating a banners, creating a visiting cards, all kind of designers you can do with the designing tools. Like if you're a researchers or a student, it will all these tools will assist you to writing. And if you're working in an industry, you want to create in a workflows. So for that workflows, so you can use these productivity tools. or if you want to create in a videos. Okay, so this particular v.io, runway.ml, okay, pictory dot and unscreen, all these are AI tools will be helpful to complete your tasks. So today I want to show you a most important tools which are very helpful. So right now, so as I said, like Po by Quora is another chatbot. Okay, this is an interface of the Po by chart, and as I shown that C.AI character AI neural language model chatbot web app. Here I just interacted with this Lily. Okay, and you can interact with Stella, Pair Programmer, or Text Adventure. Anyone the AI uh, mission you can interact with, and you can get all the chatbot kind of thing. You can get the text responses by using the C.AI. So here, and one more chatbot is been developed by the Google bot. Okay, this is the details of the chatbot. And UChart. UChart is another AI tool, which is also a chatbot. So some video tools here. With these video tools, you can create n number of videos. Here, if you observe this app dot, here the one of the here one of the video tool runaway.ml. Just I want to demonstrate this runaway.ml. Okay, just I'm copying this particular URL runaway.ml. Okay, I'm demonstrating this from a runaway.ml. Okay, so here just sign up. It's free. It is loading. Okay, it is already having a membership like Pidipala. Okay, so here if you observe in the home screen, there is a text to video, image to video. Okay, so for example, I'm clicking a text to video AI tool. It's taking time. Okay, for example, if you type ocean or sea, just I'm typing sea. Just click here. Based on your input SEAC, okay, it will throw you videos related to sea. Or if you type ocean, or if you type any text, okay, text to video. So similarly, if you put some image, so as an input, based on your image also, it will get videos and some video to video. For example, if you given an input, you have an one video. So for example, related to the cloud computing, okay, a small video of cloud computing. Based on that video, it will collect all the videos from the LLM and it will throw to you. Okay. And it will show you all these videos. So it's loading 95%, 64%. And finally, based on the keyword SEAC, it is it will get your video. So this is in a video tool, runawayml.com. So if you observe over here, it is there is an ocean tool. I can play it. This is another AI tool. See if you observe this, so it's showing in a video tool. So likewise, there are 6 categories of design tools, marketing tools, writing tools, video tools, and chatbots. All these are freely available on internet. So only thing you require, it's not only video tools or marketing tools. So I'll show you. I'll demonstrate some very useful and tools, AI tools to you. So here, most useful tools, AI tools. See, for example, supermemi.ai. So if you copy this particular website, okay, address, and just take in a window, paste it, paste that URL, supermemi.ai, start free version. You can create n number of memes with the help of this particular tool. Okay, sign with Google. Just only thing is that you give a word and will create a memes for you. So no need to create and animate the memes. You don't need to create it. Just by using this particular tool, just text to meme. Okay. So enter your meme what you want. Generate it. So here it is generating a memes for you or GIFs. See. Okay. And one more thing, slow system is hanging by because so music.gen.ei this particular base for words. Say for example, this particular website, for example, if you are happy or if you are sorrow or you want a sad songs or you are an
Request all the persons, please be patient because of the technical issues. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Sorry for that. Okay, I opened the so many windows. Because of that, it is not working.
Okay, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah. So here I want to demonstrate one more AI tool, which is music.gen. Just take one more window, just copy, paste, go to that particular website, and here you can go to the music gen. It's loading. Okay. If you just type generate music, if you just type the word sad or something like, okay, and it will give the that particular song for you. So this is the interface of that particular music.ai. So like if you observe so many tools with respect to this music, and see one more AI tool like create a 3D videos. First you shoot out a video, a 3D video, and that particular video, upload that particular video in this particular site. Okay, and it will generate a 3D video for you. Just you shoot out a video with your camera or mobile phone camera by using this loma.ai. Okay, see for example here, if you observe this particular video, is someone is capturing this video like this, and you upload this loma.ai in that AI tool. Okay, so next it will give as an output this particular 3D video, 3D, three-dimensional video to you. So likewise, uh, ordinary video if you upload, it will convert it into you a 3D video, and it will give for you a 3D view. This is called a loma.ai. Okay. So similarly, there's one more. See, generally we have generating a QR codes. So all our QR codes are in black and white. Okay. But if you use this QR code AI generator, art generator, so your QR code with a art, even you can put your image also. It will generate a 3D QR code with your name, with your face. I'll show you. Just I'm pasting here QR code.ai. Just search it. Okay. So there is an a QR code.ai, QR code.ai. If you click on it, just get started. Okay. So continue with Google. Just it will ask your permissions of your email, app.qrcode.ai.com. Okay. So based on the input, it will generate a QR codes like this. The theme just generate. For example, if I press generate, just I want to design Mickey Mouse. Okay, so generate. Or I want to give like some input. Okay, some URL. It's generating. See, it is generated. So based on that, my input, it is generated on QR code. So ordinary black and white QR code, instead of ordinary black and white QR codes, you can generate and you can download it also. This particular QR code, and you can paste it, and you can in your posters or wherever you want. Okay. So likewise, you can generate a QR codes with your with your uh, design upon like your interest, whatever be the picture you want it on that particular QR code AI. So ordinary QR codes are like in a black and white. This particular QR code come up with come up with pictures. So based on that input. So generally, it is very difficult to create a website because it's required a lot of coding and you have to know HTML, CSS, and all. But there is a website called uh, framer.com. Okay, if you use this particular framer.com and just you input what is the particular, for example, a college, so it will create in a college website a template for you easily, and you can easily use that particular website. You can host that particular website, so no need of coding and all. Simply go to this particular website. Okay, framer.ai tool. Okay, www.framer.ai tool.com. Okay, start with AI. You can sign up it, or you can, if you want, you can log in it. Again, it is asking continue with Google. Okay, I'm using that Google, my email ID, Gmail ID. So all these tools only you want in a just Gmail. That's all. You can freely you can use that all these AI tools. So at least for the learning purpose also you can log in it all these AI tools, and you can start exploring, and which is simplified. If you want to build my website, it will take at least 2 to 3 days. But simply by with this help of framer dot the AI tool, okay, you can build your uh, website within a few seconds. Just it will suggest you. Finish. I agree the terms and conditions. Finish. So it is taking into the farmer.com. It's creating a page. Okay. And here we have to give the input. Want to give a text. Generating some page. So with this, but with this help of this particular site, you can generate a website, and this particular website you can also host. So depending upon the theme or input, based on that particular keyword only, it will generate a website for you. No need of learn of HTML, CSS, and .NET and all. It's taking time. So one more is there, like we know the Adobe Firefly website. So with this particular Adobe Firefly website, we can change the background of the pictures. Okay. See, for example, if you have we have a photo, if you want to change it backward, early days we have an Adobe Photoshop. Okay, Adobe Photoshop can be used by the expert only who knows the how to use that Adobe Photoshop. You have to learn that Adobe Photoshop and all. Now no need of Adobe Photoshop, no need to learn. By using this www.adobe.com, this firefly.html, so where you just input your picture and you can change the background. Even I will demonstrate that also. This firefly.html, copy, paste, generate AI, firefly.html. Okay, explore firefly.beta version. Okay, generate text to image. Just sign in. Continue with Google. Firefly uses firefly.html. Accept the terms and condition. Agree. Next, 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 next. Text to image. So here you can change the just you take the as an input and you can change that particular pic background. So just you take one picture and if you want to change that particular picture background, you can change it. So here we can change however you want a landscape or backgrounds, movements, themes, everything you can simply by inputting one particular picture and you can change it with this Adobe beta version, free fly version. So another tool which is very useful for right now. So no coding and all, no need to learn of Adobe Photoshop and all. And finally, we have any old pictures. You can black and white. We can change to a colored one with the help of this particular cutout.pro. So these are the different tools. One we can generate memes or an GIFs, or you can forward music. You can get it from the music gen. And any 3D videos you want to create, you can create with a Loma.ai and QR AI art generator. You can generate art QR code with pictures and text to image, Lixka.art, and you can create a websites with the help of the framer.com, and you can change the backgrounds with the help of adobefly.website.com, and you can change a black and white to color. Only thing is that, so go to that particular website, sign in and use the free version, and you can play with these AI tools. So there's an n number of AI tools in the market is in a free of cost, so that you can utilize this particular uh, these tools and you can explore it for the to learning purpose, or you can use in your projects, or you can use in your thesis writing and all. So just for just I want to show you like this particular AI tools is existed at present, which is created by the human beings, or it is there in ancient times. I don't know, like audio is not coming, but enjoy this particular video so that I'll tell you what is the importance of this video. It is taken from the old movie. Hey, this particular video is very slow. Like this, sir, able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, like this particular video, why I want to show you, like in this, see, in ancient time also, there is a called like technology called here. See, whatever that person in mind, okay. as in a neural networks. This particular sensors of that particular tool is sensing what is there in reading that neural networks in a neurons in their mind, and it is fetching that particular video or an video what he was thinking, it's showing. Like here in this particular scenario, so what they're thinking actually, like who are all well wishers or who is really wants to see. So by sensing that particular with the that particular box of the particular sensors, it's showing that particular video. So see what we thinking that, see how the artificial intelligence is overcoming the human intelligence. But human intelligence, artificial intelligence has been created by the human. Okay. So human intelligence is never ended. At the same time, even though there is an advance in the artificial intelligence, okay, intelligence is required, and it will be forever, and it will be forever. And there is an what I believe that the technologies existed in ancient times also, and our forefathers are very intelligent and than us. Okay, and whatever we generating already these days existed in the universe. Okay, and what I believe that the supreme power, the God intelligence is more powerful than the human intelligence, and it is more powerful. The human intelligence is more powerful than the artificial intelligence. So just I want to try to conclude my this particular session. So like the power of AI tools, there is an a more and more tools are available in the market. Just you explore it, and there is an 120 blowing AI tools as a free of cost. See whether you're like if you want you are a manufacturer, you can use a productive tools. If you are a designer, you can use the designer tools. If you're a content developer, you can use a video tools. If you're a content writer, you can use a writing AI tools. And if you're a marketing person, you can use a marketing AI tools. And especially the chatbots right now, it is very helpful as an like Alexa, a personal assistant we are using, and Google Lens as an image to image. If you input an image, you will throw it that the content to you. Like there is an n number of applications in the market. Just explore it. As in a research person, you have to know all these AI tools, and there is a course called prompt engineer. So the prompt engineer job is how to get the relevant content, what particular tool you have to use, and you have to get the relevant content for you. So with this just I want to share my knowledge of like the power of AI intelligence tools and in uses. So thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, from our
Over to Prakash, sir.
organization. Yes, thanks, sir, from our organization, and extend my grateful thanks and gratitude for your captivating keynote speech on the power of artificial intelligence and tools and usage during this conference. Your presentation left a lasting impression on all of us, and I want to extend my sincere thanks for sharing your expertise and insights. Your talk was not only informative but also truly inspirational. So your effortless demystified the complexities of AI and showcases vast potential to transform industries and educational fields to improve the lives. And your ability to break down this complex concept into digestible and relatable ideas was exceptional, making the topic accessible to a wide audience with varying levels of familiarity with AI. So the topics you introduced during this conference, the role of AI and the areas and tools like ChatGPT, Chatbot, and today's vibrant AI tools like Genie.ai for research support and text-to-video tool, which are really helpful for the research community. Once again, thanks for your valuable ideas, suggestions, and knowledge you shared during this conference. I will look forward to working with you, sir. And thank you once again. And dear participants, we'll resume at 2 p.m. for the second keynote session. Please be available and make it convenient to attend. As you are already got that attendance is mandatory. Thank you once again to one and all.
Sir, thank you for giving the opportunity, the management of the Lendi Engineering College, and thank you for the Vignan Institute of Technology and Science, Hyderabad, for being part of this particular conference as a keynote speaker. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the
Thank you
patience,
once again.
listeners.
Thank you, sir. Participant, please fill the feedback link, right? Thank you.
Thanks for your interactive session, sir.
Thank you very much. Sir, actually, still so many tools are there. I want to demonstrate, but is in a limited time. I explored so many tools with respect to the writing tools and music tools and designing tools. But in a less time, I presented few and just demonstrated C.AI and ChatGPT and few. But still, there is more tools are there to explore. It is very helpful for us researchers.
Sir, can you provide the list of tools, sir? It will be useful for us, as you said.
Yeah, sure. That particular picture itself, it's enough, sir. Like that in on 120, I'll tell you that like one blog like 120. Simply you type 120 AI tools.
120 tools. Okay, sir. Okay.
That's all. It will navigate to you. What are the different tools? It will show you all the tools. It's very helpful for us in website
Please share
creation
your
and all.
PPT, sir.
Yeah, sure.
And really nice question, sir. It's very useful for us. Thank you.
Some disturbance because my mic is not supported. 5 minutes disturbance is came.
Participants, can anyone ask you queries?
Okay, sir. Any queries? From
Please, Sairabanu madam, please raise you asked na? Please raise your hand and ask query from your end to keynote person. Saira.
Okay, sir. If there is no questions, then we can conclude the session. It's for lunchtime,
Yes,
I
sir.
guess.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.